Say hi to the camera. Say hi. Look at the camera, Lili. La la la. Tell Titi, get out of the way. Stop trying to take my shine.
Yeah, they have a tendency to have resistance still at that age when you're setting them on something.
That's right.
Up your legs.
Hold on, Lili. Oh, yay. Now, there you go.
Up your legs.
Look at Grandma. Hi, baby. La, la, la. I love you.
Mama, will you push me?
Hey,
There you go.
how you doing?
Say thank you.
Thank you.
Lili. Sing to Grandma. La, la, la.
How old is she?
2.
Big.
She's two with my cousin Peanut.
Are you swinging?
Yeah.
La, la, la.
Second grade.
Look at Grandma.
Is a year younger than her. I call her Peanut, 'cause she is
Do, 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 do. Sing it. Ah.
loves the ropes.
Doing it.
Look at the camera.
I can't get on.
Say hi, Mommy.
You have to get arms up.
I love you.
Hey, Mommy.
I love you, Mommy. Hey.
And a little one.
Over here, look.
Will you
Say I love you, Mommy. Did you tell Mommy happy birthday the other day?
Thank you.
Happy birthday to Mommy. Late birthday. So I hope you're relaxing, Mommy. I hope you're relaxing, you bitch.
Okay.